From the dawn of our existence, humans have been driven by an insatiable curiosity, a deep-seated need to understand the world around us. This desire to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos has led us down remarkable paths, often paved with trials and errors. History is replete with experiments so bizarre they seem ripped from science fiction. Yet even the most outlandish experiments have yielded invaluable insights. Join me as we embark on a journey through scientific history, exploring 10 of the strangest experiments ever conducted. In the heart of the Cold War, as tensions between superpowers ran high, a chilling experiment unfolded in a Soviet laboratory. Dr. Vladimir Demikhov, a pioneer in organ transplantation, embarked on audacious experiments to create a two-headed dog. The images of these chimeras, with two heads vying for attention, shocked the scientific community and ignited a firestorm of ethical debate. Shrouded in mystery and whispered in hushed tones, the legend of the Russian sleep experiment has become internet lore. This tale recounts a supposed experiment in the late 1940s, where Soviet researchers forced 5 prisoners to stay awake for 15 days using gas. While the veracity remains hotly debated, dismissed by many as a creepypasta, it continues to captivate the public imagination. The age-old debate of nature versus nurture has fascinated philosophers and scientists for centuries. In the 1960s, a controversial study aimed to shed light on this complex interplay, the Minnesota study of twins reared apart. This groundbreaking research, led by psychologist Thomas Bouchard, studied identical twins separated at birth and raised in different environments. The psychedelic 60s saw a wave of research into hallucinogenic drugs. In 1962, researchers at the University of Oklahoma injected an elephant named Tusco with a massive dose of LSD. The experiment went tragically wrong. Tusco collapsed within minutes and died an hour later, sparking public outrage and raising ethical questions about animal testing. The horrors of World War II cast a long shadow over science, revealing human cruelty's darkest depths. In Nazi Germany, doctors conducted barbaric experiments on concentration camp prisoners, inflicting unimaginable suffering in the name of research. The Nazi regime's atrocities left an indelible stain on science, forever reminding us of unchecked power's consequences. Emerging from the shadowy world of government conspiracies, the Montauk Project fascinates us with the unknown. Alleged secret experiments at Camp Hero or Montauk Air Force Station, Long Island, have captivated theorists for decades. Widely regarded as a hoax, it speaks to our fears of government overreach and technology's sinister potential. Researchers have enabled a paralyzed monkey to control a robotic arm using only its thoughts. This experiment, conducted in 2008 by neuroscientists at the University of Pittsburgh, involved implanting electrodes into the monkey's brain. This breakthrough offers hope for individuals with paralysis, suggesting they may regain mobility through brain-computer interfaces. The idea of transplanting a human head onto a new body has long been science fiction. In 1970, neurosurgeon Robert White took a daring step by performing the first successful head transplant on a monkey. The monkey was paralyzed and survived briefly, but the experiment raised profound ethical questions in the scientific community. Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, was also a renowned scientist and inventor with an insatiable curiosity about the natural world. In 1752, he conducted a daring experiment that changed our understanding of electricity, flying a kite in a thunderstorm. As lightning flashed, a spark jumped from the key to his knuckle, confirming his theory and paving the way for the lightning rod. As sound, a ubiquitous presence in our lives, is often taken for granted. Beyond audible frequencies, sound waves possess remarkable and often unseen powers. Scientists and engineers harness sound to develop innovative technologies in medicine, manufacturing, and beyond. Our journey through history's strangest experiments reveals the boundless curiosity and ingenuity of the human mind. From two-headed dogs to mind-controlled monkeys, these experiments pushed scientific boundaries, often with awe-inspiring and ethically troubling results. These experiments revolutionized medicine, technology, and our understanding of the universe. Yet they remind us of the importance of ethics in scientific research. As we explore further, we must ensure that knowledge never costs human dignity or our planet's well-being.